Hi everyone, Nilo here, and today ZBrush asked me to tell you a funny story about my experience with it. I've been using ZBrush since 2007 and I'm having lots of fun all these many years. Also, I want to tell you that I'm a huge fan of Lord of the Rings, as you may see here. Lord of the Rings is the movie that made me get in the 3D industry. It changed my life. So, in 2017, I've been called by ZBrush as one of the finalists of Sculpture of the Year. And at that occasion, I went to LA and I met all the guys, great artists. It was awesome to me. At that occasion, I didn't know that they were a honored guest in the event, and it was Richard Taylor, one of the creators of WETA Workshop. And at that occasion, we chat a little bit, and I told him that I was going to New Zealand at the very same year, and he invited me to visit WETA Workshop. Can you imagine that? I saw many props and swords of Lord of the Rings, and I met all the guys that create the cool stuffs like this. This is me holding an Oscar of Lord of the Rings, and believe me, it's very heavy. That's my story with ZBrush. It's been amazing experience all these years. ZBrush brings me all the way from Brazil to LA to New Zealand and to worldwide. It opened my mind. There's something that I really do believe, and it is work hard until your idols became your colleagues of work. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Bye.